Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the expansion of these highways. And I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think Mark Golden, who leads the PNP, will continue the build out of these highways? Now, the reason why I ask is the current government announced Highway 2000. Okay, Highway 2000 currently goes from Kingston to Mandeville, and they are in the process of building a highway from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth. Then from St. Elizabeth it will go to Montego Bay, and then from Montego Bay, from St. Elizabeth, it will also go to Negril. But when there's a change in administration, these plans can change. Also, Highway 2000 north-south leg currently goes from Kingston to Ocho Rios, and it was announced that the road will be expanded from Ocho Rios to Montego to Trelawney. So these are some major highways. So do you think the Mark Golden government will make any changes to these plans? Or do you think they will continue with these routes? Now, the first section of this highway was built by P.J. Patterson, who was the leader of the PNP at the time. He actually built the first highway in Jamaica, Highway 2000 east-west leg, which is the road we're driving on now. Now, originally the plan for the highway was for the highway to be built from Kingston to Montego Bay in one go. That's what the P.J. Patterson administration wanted to do. But it was an arrangement where a foreign company would pay and collect toll to build the highway. And no one knew if Jamaicans would pay toll or how successful the road would be. So it was broken up into sections. So he built, I think, a section from Kingston to Sandy Bay and from Kingston to Portmore. And then administration changed, and then another section was built, and then I'm not sure the order, but Portia Simpson Miller came to power, and I think it was her administration that made a deal to bring China Harbour Engineering Company to Jamaica, and she built the Kingston to Ocho Rios leg of the highway. And then somewhere along the line, Andrew Holness came to power, and he built the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. I'm not sure who built the Sandy Bay to Maypen leg. If anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. But Andrew Holness has taken the building of highways to another level. He announced Highway 2000 would go. It was, well, under his administration that the highway is going to be, because they're in the process of building it now, they're doing the administrative and the layout stage, Maypen to Mandeville. But he also announced the extension of the highway from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth. And then Andrew Holness announced the expansion of the highway from St. Elizabeth to Negril. Because remember, originally the highway would go to St. Elizabeth and then over to Montego Bay. And Andrew Holness also announced the plans to extend Highway 2000 north-south leg, which is the Edward Siaga Highway, from Ocho Rios to Trelawney. So he made two changes basically to the highway plan: St. Elizabeth to Negril and Ocho Rios to Trelawney. So there's going to be an election in Jamaica next year, and Mark Golden, who is the leader of the PNP, if he was to come to power, guys, do you think they would continue with these highway plans, or do you think they would change them? Now, I'm not sure if he has ever said anything. Well, I shouldn't say. I'm not aware, because I'm not aware what the PNP plans are for the building of these highways. So if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. Now, I know they were not for the building of the, well, no, let's not go there. But What do you guys think? Do you think they will continue to build out of the highway? Do you think they will announce new sections of the highway? Do you think they'll take the highway from Trelawney to Montego Bay? Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.